Today I want to open your mind to something you've never been told clearly. Erectile weakness is not a disease. Yes, bro, you heard me right, it's not a disease. But why are you told every single day that it's an illness and you must use pills? It's very simple to understand. They want to play with your mind. They create fear inside you. They sell that fear for your money. Every day you hear ads, buy this men's power pack, drink this tea, or with this pill, you'll be a lion in bed. But here's the truth. When you become a slave to pills, you lose yourself. You become dependent, and worse, you lose trust in your own body. But let me tell you something important. Your strength doesn't come from tablets. It's not in the pharmacy. It's already inside you. That's why today I've prepared a very simple, natural, and powerful recipe. Bro, this is not a story. If you start drinking this regularly, within a week, you'll see results. You'll have more stamina, more confidence, and every day you'll feel like a winner in bed. Let's dive into our preparation steps. Natural Love Booster Juice. Step 1. Prepare watermelon. Cut into small cubes and place them in a bowl. Watermelon contains citrulline, a natural form of Viagra that relaxes and expands blood vessels. This improves blood circulation, which means your strength increases. Step 2. Take a piece of ginger. Peel it well, then chop into small pieces. Ginger is known to improve blood flow and even stimulate testosterone production, the male hormone that gives you strength, drive, and boosts libido. Step 3. Put the watermelon pieces together with the ginger slices into a blender. This is the first step to creating a natural powerhouse drink capable of boosting your stamina without any chemicals. Step 4. Take a lemon. Cut it in half. Squeeze the lemon juice directly into the blender with the watermelon and ginger. Lemon contains antioxidants and flavonoids that help cleanse the blood, strengthen the immune system, and give you natural energy. Step 5. Now turn on the blender and blend well. You'll get a smooth juice with a bright red color, an attractive aroma, and a fresh, natural taste. Step 6. Pour the juice into a clean glass. Add about 150 milliliters of water, half a cup. This balances the flavor and makes it easy to drink daily without getting tired of a strong taste. Step 7. Stir well, then strain using a filter. You'll get a clean, smooth drink ready to enjoy with no residue. Step 8. The big secret. Drink 1 glass of this mixture half an hour before bed or before being intimate with your partner. That's when its power shows up. You'll notice a huge difference. Stamina, desire, and confidence will double. Watermelon improves blood flow and boosts testosterone. Ginger increases circulation and body stamina. Lemon cleanses the body and strengthens immunity. This combination is a natural booster. No chemicals, no pills, no side effects. So while others waste money on tablets and unknown packets, you'll be building your strength directly from a natural source, free and confident. Remember, bro, your strength is inside you, not in pills. If you start using this recipe every day, in a short time, you'll see big changes. You'll be free, confident, and a winner in bed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like this video. Drop your comment below. Tell me where you're watching from and if you'll try this recipe today. And above all, remember, your male strength is not built by medicine, it's built by you.